Hey guys, so real quick, I'm just going to show you how to set up the pivots and the open, high, low, and close on a chart on TradeStation. So once you have a chart open on TradeStation, go to Studies, Add Study, and then for the open, high, low, and close, click on the OHLC yesterday. So we're going to hit OK, and that just adds it the way it is. If you double click on it, we can change the style here. If you want it to be dashes, you can choose the plot here, the type, and then the style and the width. And then you can change the color here and just simply choose what color you want them to be and hit OK, and it'll change it the way that you just set it up. Now to add the pivots, it's a little bit different. So we're going to hit Add Study and look for Floor Trader Pivots EX. Click on that one, hit OK. Now that just added the floor trader pivots, and we're going to double click on it to pull up the settings. At first, I thought that you could change the color just by being on the color tab and then changing each one to be that light blue for it to be the weekly, but you can't. So what you're going to do is come over here and look at what the name of the color is. So I want this to be deep sky blue because I'm going to make this the weekly. So deep sky blue, and then come up here to inputs, and we're going to change this right here to deep sky blue. I'm going to copy that and put it on all of these lines. So now we have deep sky blue for all of the pivots right here. And then to change the interval, so being the weekly, monthly, or quarterly, you do it right here. So 1 is a daily. So we're going to change it right here, pivot interval to 2. 2 is weekly, 3 is monthly, and 4 is quarterly. So 2 for the deep sky blue being the weekly. And then I'm going to change the style to be dashes. And you're going to have to click on each one. So R5 dashes, R4, R3 dashes. So you have to change each one to be dashes if that's what you want. You can do whatever style you want. I'm going to change them all to be dashes. Hit OK. So now I know that all these dashes right here are the weekly pivots. To add the monthly, I'm going to do that same thing. Hit Add Study. Go to the Floor Trader Pivots EX. OK. I'm going to double click on all the colors so it pulls up that study, and then change the inputs, so pivot interval to 3, and then you can change the color to whatever color you use, which you need to use the colors that they have. So go to the color, let's look for the purple one, dark violet. So then I would change all these inputs right here to dark violet, and then hit OK, and it would change them all, and that is how you do it. And then do the 4 for the quarterly. So that's how you add the pivots to TradeStation.